if by royal appointment, the weather on the great day is perfect, giving London a touch of summer magic. From Buckingham Palace, a semi-state landau carries the Queen and the Duke of Edinburgh to St. Paul's Cathedral for the wedding of their much-loved son, the Prince of Wales. As Prince Charles sets off for the cathedral, his mother arrives to be greeted, as tradition in the city demands, by the Lord Mayor of London. An escort of mounted police wait for Lady Diana at Clarence House. Though still a commoner, the pretty English girl will be transformed into the third lady of the realm, Princess of Wales. And here is the groom, exactly on time, punctuality being the privilege of princes. Prince Charles wears a uniform of Royal Navy Commander, his brother that of midshipman. Passing through Admiralty Arch, the bride is not far behind. At her side, her father, the Earl Spencer. For swearing the usual privilege of brides, Lady Diana arrives on time as well. The whole day is to be a superb example of precision and timing, so typical of British ceremonial. The world gets its first full glimpse of the fairy tale princess, demure behind her veil, and the wedding dress that has been a carefully guarded secret, resplendent ivory silk taffeta, trimmed with antique lace and a long, long train, all 25 feet hand-embroidered. As bewitching and romantic a bride as ever touched the heart of the world.